Greta,
Hey,
I have a question about the changes. What format are we using?
we're just gonna have to scrap that.
Well, what are we doing instead?
I haven't had a chance to look at it yet.
Okay. Well, what do you want me to do with them in the meantime?
I'll get back to you. Oh, but while I've got you here, we're gonna need to have everything shipped out by tomorrow morning.
I thought we were doing that next week.
No, I changed my mind. I didn't have time to get everyone on board. You gotta buckle down. It's amazing how fast things are happening these days.
Okay.
Oh, and from now on, why don't we have people work on them individually? Oh, and I'm gonna need you to call the distributor and tell them if we have the same delays this time, we're going with someone else.
Yeah, well, I don't know all the issues that were involved with that, so.
Well, I'm out. Just take a look at the records and give him a call. Oh, and you've got to be firm. This guy's really slippery.
Okay. Then back to the shipping.
You know, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get this finished up before the end of the day. Just talk to Sharon. She knows this stuff.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks. Oh, and could you shut my door?